Hey everybody, so I got a new mini waffle maker. This one is called the MyMini, and it's pretty much a nostalgia MyMini, but now they just call it MyMini. Now this is a limited edition Snowman design, so this is of course going to be for the Christmas. I'm a little early. It's a 5-inch plate, 550 watts rated, and non-stick. Inside you're going to get your little user manual. Usually these user manuals will also have a few recipes that you can use. Alright, here's our little waffle maker. As you can see, it is a pretty small thing. If you followed me before, then you know that I've tested several of these in the past. It's been quite a while. All right, when you plug it in, you're going to see that there is a light. Once that light clicks off, it is ready to put your food in. Now, it takes a couple minutes to heat up. The light did turn off, and it is nice and toasty. Now, it is non-stick, but I always spray a little bit. I just got a little olive oil. You can also use a little butter spray. I have just a regular waffle mix. You can use all kinds of different types of waffle mix. Now, I'm not sure how much that's going to expand, so I'm going to stop right there. And let's go ahead and let it cook for a couple minutes. As the temperature reduces, the light will kick on and it will fire back up to keep that heat going. All right, now this one actually cooked pretty fast, and it looks like I could have added just a little bit more, but it was pretty close. We even have a nice golden color to our waffle. It's nice and fluffy. We got our snowman here at the bottom. That actually looks pretty good. I'm going to fill this up just a little bit more this time. Not too much. All right, we got our second one ready, which turned out a little better than the first one. All right, so as you can see, this one actually works pretty well. It's nice and compact, so this is great for like dorm rooms, RVs. These are also great for kids to use. My kids use these all the time. Most of the ones that I have reviewed in the past, I still have most of them, and my daughter still uses a lot of them. This one seems to work a little bit better than the original Nostalgia one, and it works pretty well compared to the Dash one as well. So if you're looking for something that is compact and works really well, I really like these. I think they work great. Now, you're not going to feed an army or a really large family with this thing unless you're going to sit here for a little while. But what you can do, which I've seen some people do, is that they'll buy like 3 or 4 of these because they are pretty cheap. So you buy like 3 or 4 of them and then just use them all at once. And yeah, there you go. Anyway, this is the limited edition Snowman MyMini, and I think it's pretty cute.